Hey guys, I'm Monica from the Monica Edit, and as you know, I'm a lifestyle content creator. I love sharing products that make everyday life a little easier. Today, I'm really excited that SRI Home sent me their Orca digital calendar to test out and review for you guys. If your household runs on sticky notes, house reminders, asking each other what's going on this weekend, then this is definitely the calendar for you. Let's check it out.
The first thing I noticed was how well everything was packaged. It immediately gave me the feeling that this was a good quality product. I started by taking out the stand, the charging cable, and finally the display itself. Wow, the moment I picked it up, I was really impressed. It had a sleek, modern design, and inside the box, you get a warranty card along with everything you need if you decide to mount it on the wall. So they sent me the 15.6-inch display, but if you're looking for something even larger, it also comes in a 21.5-inch version. Getting everything set up was incredibly easy. I couldn't wait to get it plugged in and see what it can do. Peeling off that protective film is always the most satisfying part. I was surprised by how fast and effortless the setup process was. After downloading the FotoCube app, it walked me through the setup, and within just minutes, I had everything connected. And did I mention no subscription required? That's definitely a huge bonus. One thing that really stood out to me was how responsive the touchscreen is. Every tap registered instantly, typing felt smooth, and navigating through the different features was effortless. You have different tabs for your calendar, tasks, plans, lists, and photos, and you can even put the display into sleep mode whenever you want. Two-way sync keeps everything updated. Wow, you can see it on my FotoCube app. I also love how easy it is to add other members to your household. They simply connect through the app and everyone can add their own schedules, appointments, reminders, and events. Instead of asking each other what's going on every day, everything is right there in one place for everyone to see.
After using it, I can truly say I was really impressed on how simple and user-friendly it really is. Setting it up was super quick just by connecting it to the app called FotoCube, and it was really cool because all the family members in the household can easily just connect it through a code. And they instantly have access to shared calendar, tasks, plans, etc. One of my favorite things is that you can actually display it on the wall. It has the mounts that it comes with. Or you can have it displayed as a stand, and I'm definitely going to display it in my kitchen because I'm usually there on my kitchen island. So I'm definitely gonna do that with this digital calendar. Having our schedule right there where we naturally gather makes it so much easier to stay organized and have everyone in tune. I already know it's gonna become a part of our routine. We go into the kitchen, we check out the calendar, and then we go about our day. So overall, I love this product and I definitely recommend it.